Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the vanish mode on Instagram. So let's go to the DM section quickly. Okay, let's enter this chart. Okay, to enable the vanish mode, what you have to do on this screen, just swipe up and that's it, you got the vanish mode. So here you can send your picture or message, whatever you want to send in the vanish mode. This message will disappear once your friend will see or when you close this vanish mode. So to turn off the vanish mode, on the top of the screen you can see turn off vanish mode. Tap there and that's it, you are out of the vanish mode. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do the vanish mode on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.